Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok Studio option is not showing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First open the TikTok app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to feed page. Here, tap on profile icon at the bottom right and your profile page will open up. Now, tap on three lines at the top right and select settings from the drop-down menu. On this page, tap on privacy option and then select suggest your account to others. Here, toggle on all of these three options. After that, close your TikTok app and open your web browser. Search for TikTok newest version 2024 and open the first link that appear in the search results. From this website, download the latest version of TikTok app. After downloading, open the TikTok app again and go to your settings. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Report Problem. After that, tap on Chat with Us option showing there. Now write the same thing which I wrote here, exactly the same. After that, send it and tap on this line. Now follow the instructions, and after doing all of this, the TikTok Studio option will show on your profile. So that's basically how you can TikTok Studio option is not showing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.